Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, we are going to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. These are two temperature measurement unit and we need to convert one unit to another. Let's get started. There are several ways to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, and today we are going to show you Excel built-in function that will help us converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. For that we are going to use the Excel built-in convert function. So let's say I'm going to convert 15 degree Celsius, my room temperature, and I'm going to convert it to Fahrenheit. Okay, so for that I'm going to write here equal to and then write here convert and double click on the formula, and the first parameter is the number, which is our temperature in Celsius in this case, which is 15, and then add comma, our from unit is Celsius, so I'm going to find Celsius from this list. I'm going to scroll down and here we have Celsius. I'm going to double click here. I'm going to add comma for the next parameter, which is degree Fahrenheit. So we are converting Celsius to Fahrenheit here. I'm going to double click here and I'm going to close parenthesis. And if I press enter, and you can see this is our temperature in Fahrenheit. And if I change here 177, and you can see we have the same result using the mathematical term and using the Excel formula. Now let's convert our body temperature in Fahrenheit. So I'm going to write here again using the formula equal to convert. Double click here, this is the number. From unit we are going to write here within double quotation C. It also works, you don't need to scroll down and find the degree Celsius, and I'm going to add comma for the next parameter, which is Fahrenheit in our case. So I'm going to write within double quotation F and make sure it's a capital F, and if I press enter, we have our body temperature converted into Fahrenheit. So 36.1 becomes 96.98. So if I double click here, we can see body temperature has been converted in Fahrenheit. So if you have high fever of 102, your body temperature is in Celsius is 38.8. Now let's calculate the room temperature or our weather using, let's say, the formula again. So equal to convert, double click here, select the cell where you have value in Celsius, and from unit you can scroll down, select degree Celsius and add comma, to unit select degree Fahrenheit and close parenthesis, press enter, and you have converted weather temperature in Fahrenheit from Celsius. So this is how you can convert Celsius to Fahrenheit in Microsoft Excel. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thanks for watching.